You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
Found myself in a cardboard box, feelings hidden deep down. I found us back, now I can't escape. Oh, you're not one you get rid of. I linger as the ground shakes, paper cuts on what could have been. Every morning made us better. Oh, if only you'd known it when you had me. You had to call me a bad name. You called me with a sad face. Promised shelter, but walls were thin. Then carried me without caution. Want something else, but I end up here. You give me no other option. I linger as the ground shakes, paper cuts furniture, the same as when we left. Clean cut underneath. Light muslin and canvas till someone's coming back. Crunch under my feet. You never really said it all till you said it all. Testing, testing now. Where do we go from here? You never really said it all till we say it all. Got time if not, but I need to know. Where do we go from here? White lies till I'm over it. It's getting on my nerves. Guilt-free cover up. Lights out, nothing under me, but no one's getting hurt. It's good after all. You never really said it all till you said it all. Testing, testing now. Where do we go from here? Never really said it all till we say it all. Got time if not, but I need to know. Where do we go from here? Found myself in a cardboard box, feeling sitting deep down. I found us back now, I can't escape. All you're not one you get rid of. I linger as the ground shakes. Paper cuts on what could have been.
Hi everyone, so this is the final look. This is what the hair looks like. This hairstyle is actually very simple and easy to do. I saw an inspiration on Pinterest and I actually decided to challenge myself to do it, and I love how it came out. It actually came out really beautiful, which I'm impressed. Like, I'm very impressed with the style. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know where you would style this hair to. I think this can be styled to work, church, casual outing. Like, it can be a protective style because there's no extensions in this style. So if you do not have the donut bun, you can just use a socks. You can like have a black socks and fold it and do that, or you can form like kinky hair into like a bun and use that for your hair. So yeah, that's it guys. I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.